Hello students, today we will start chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Before starting this chapter, we will learn some definitions of the line segment, parallel lines, intersecting lines, concurrent lines and many more are there. We will study point also, ray also. Okay. So first starting with the line segment. What is line segment? A line segment has two endpoints. You can see in the example also. A line segment has two endpoints. A line segment is a straight line that connects two points. A line segment has definite length. Its length is fixed. Its length can be measured. With the help of your ruler, you can measure the length of the line segment. Okay. And line segment is always denoted like this. AB and one bar is there. This bar shows that AB is a line segment. Now line. What is a line? A line has no endpoints. You can see in the example, two arrows are there which shows that your line can be extended in both the direction endlessly. It can be extended in both the direction endlessly. A line has no definite length. You cannot measure line because it has no definite length. This shows that this is a line segment. Okay, this is a line. This arrow shows that this is a line. This arrow denotes AB is a line. Wherever you see this two arrows mark, which means it is a line, and this bar shows that it is a line segment. Okay, this arrow means it can be extended in two directions. Okay, both right and left. Now parallel lines. Lines which do not meet each other or lines which do not intersect each other at any point is called parallel line. You can see this example. These lines are running parallel to each other, very straight. Okay, so it will not meet each other at any point. Okay, you can take example of railway track. The railway track never meet each other. You can take example of the edges of table. That table edges will never meet each other. So the lines which do not meet each other at any point are called parallel lines. Okay. Now intersecting line. This is example of intersecting line. Intersect means to cut each other at any point. Any point. It can be like this also. The line which cut each other, or you can say intersect each other at any point are called intersecting line. The lines which are cutting each other. You can see this. AB and CD both meet at point O. I have given name O. That means they both are cutting each other. Cutting means intersecting. In mathematical you use the word intersecting. These two lines are intersecting each other at point O. So these are called intersecting line. Okay. Now fifth point, concurrent lines. Three or more lines passing through the same point on the plane are called concurrent lines. For example, you can see here, this is your one point O. Your AB is also passing from O. Your CD is also passing from O. And your lines EF is also passing from O. So you can say three or more lines passing from the same point are called concurrent lines. Same way now collinear points. When more than two or three points lie on a line are called collinear points. Three or more points in a plane are said to be collinear if they lie on the same plane. If 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number of points lie on the same line, okay, they are called collinear points. Now what is point? A point is an exact location or position. See this. This is an exact location or position on a plane surface. It is usually represented by a dot. This dot is a point. Now what is ray? A portion of a line which starts at a point and goes off in a particular direction to infinity, which means a ray has starting point but no ending point. You can see here example. Suppose it is starting from P, it will goes to infinity. If it starts from Q also, it will goes to infinity. That's why it is said that a ray has starting point but no ending point. You can take example of sunlight. It is starting point but no ending point. You can take example of your torch also. Okay, so these are the definition that you have to read and learn it.